What is going on, YouTube? And today me and my dog are going down to the river. Zeus! Outside, come on. So yeah, I don't know what the temperature of the river is. All I know is that it's a nice warm day. I've been down to the river. I've been down to the river a couple times already, actually. Took a nice dip. Water's cold, but it's really nice on a day like today where it's warming up for the first time. So sorry for my poor videography skills. Multimedia student, and yet I can't take a shot worth of crap because, you know, why would I manage that? But yeah, I tried to record this once and then I realized I was recording in portrait mode like a dingus. So yeah, I can actually get a nice shot of the scenery for you guys here and now. Dude, take a look at this. It's beautiful. All right. So yeah, fun fact about this river I'm about to go for a dip in. It's safe enough to drink out of, you know, if there's not a bunch of debris in the water like there is today. My dog won't have too much of a problem because, you know, he's a dog. He'll drink out of anything. He'll drink out of the pond up the hill, actually, which is full of algae. What gets him sick isn't the water, it's if he ingests too many algae seedlings and then he throws up like 2 hours later. But yeah, as long as he doesn't take in too many of those, he drinks out of the pond without an issue every year. Are you eating a stick? It's one thing to chew on a stick. This dog will eat sticks. He will consume the wood. All right, this dog is not vegetarian by any means, but he likes to eat sticks. He's weird. My dog is very, very strange. All right, now to work out how I'm gonna shoot this. Perhaps over here. Yeah, because I got a natural bipod going on right here. Well, if that's in the shot, then I'm going to be in the shot where I'm about to stand. So, yeah, let's get it done. Pop out the little pop socket here. Break that little stick. And yeah. Do you want me to throw this thing like a spear? I just whacked myself on the ear. You wanted me to throw it? What are you giving me that look for? Yeah, the water is very cold today, but oh, I think my shot's off. I think you need to be over here. Oh, that's it. Oh yeah, that's the one. Whoa. And just to prove that I can, oh yeah. Oh man, that's nice. Oh. It's a day in paradise out here in the river. It's nice to get down here, stretch. The cold water will increase your blood flow this time of year. What? Want to get splashed? You want to get splashed, dog? It's over here wagging his tail. Hey, don't eat the shovel. We got a shovel down here. It's still down here from when we dug out the steps that I walked down to get down here. And the handle broke. So it's just been kind of chilling down here in case we need it, and he was about to eat it. Like I said, my dog is very strange. Yeah, let's see how far out I can go. I mean, the river's up a bit of a current. And overall, this is probably one of the cleanest rivers I've ever been in. So, quit digging at that. How many times I gotta tell you? He's digging at somebody's hose. Yeah, I am waist deep out here towards the middle. I don't know if you guys can hear me right, But this is definitely going to be one of my top tier recordings for the channel. I think I'm about maybe 6 minutes in. I don't know, I'm not wearing my watch today because, you know, who needs a watch for anything except me? Most people wear them for fashion. I wear them for practicality, hence why I always have a sports watch. Zeus! Stop digging at the goddamn hose! Leave it alone! You dork! My dog does not like to swim in the river. He's not very good at swimming somehow. I don't understand how a dog can evolutionarily forget how to swim. Zeus! No! I gotta tell you again, you're going in the house, you hear me? Dogs. They're just like kids, you gotta tell them so many times. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. Look. Don't act like you don't know what you did. You goof. I'm gonna splash you. I'm gonna splash you, you dork. What's up? Yeah, you goof. Now it's really important to not stay in the water too long, as it is still cold, and you can still, you know, have what's the word? Negative side effects. Jesus. I guess forgetting your English is one of the symptoms of being too cold. But yeah, I hope I was in that shot. Definitely a good day for this. Definitely the water balances out with the temperature of the air. Yeah, let me see if where I was is even in this shot. Oh yeah, definitely, I'm in that shot. You dork. Hey, don't you even think about it. Don't eat that zip line. Hey! No! Don't you dare. Want a stick? I'll give you a stick. As weird as it is for you to eat sticks, at least it's something I can give you. There you go, that's your snack. What? What do you want? What do you want? You goofy little pup. What? Oh, you want that stick, huh? You want that stick, huh? He's goofy, like I say. But yeah, now that that's done. What's up, Zeus? Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. You can hear the flowing water. That's actually coming out of a storm drain for the pond. You goofy. Come on. Up, up, up. Let's go. Wait. But yeah, it's definitely a very beautiful day out here. See the tree? We got a rope attached to it. Zeus, come. Come on. Look at him. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Let's give you guys another good shot of the scenery as we do a run. Come on, bud. Beautiful shot. Be careful over there, Zeus. Tall grass over here. Once it starts getting warmer, we'll have to be more wary of snakes doing something like that. This is, after all, Michigan. We got our diamondback rattlers. They like to thrive out here in these rural parts. But yeah, look at this. Now this is a shot I haven't gotten before. This is nice. But yeah, Oh, hey, there's a trail here. I never knew about this. I've lived out here for 2 years. This trail must be on someone's private property, which means this is also on someone's private property. I should probably get lost after this shot here. All right, Zeus, come on. Let's get lost. Beautiful, beautiful video of the river. You dingus. Of course, you have to stop and mark his territory. Like a dork. Ah, okay, that would have been an easier access point there, huh? Instead of leaping over what is like 2 yards worth of tall grass. Ow. The flip did I just catch my toe on? Do you see this? Do you see this dog? Dude, you almost took my dang hand off. Get the stick. Will he find the stick? He will not. He will instead almost tumble down the cliff to his doom. Zeus, get your behind up here. Oh, God. Zeus, come. Hey, come on. Do you see this guy? Do you see this guy? Zeus, what are you doing other than giving yourself an allergic reaction to freaking grass? Come on, you goof. Let's go home. Let's go. Come on. Ah, look at that sunshine. I love it. You asshole. This dog just took my shoe off. Or rather my sandal. It's okay though. There we go. Get a good deal of the dirt off that way in this nice warm puddle. And there I go, getting dirt back on it. See, I'm gonna drop this little turd off in the house so he can go have some water. He's panting like a mule. Come on. Gonna head back down and recap the video at the water. He'll be alright inside for a few minutes by himself. Come on. Go on. Go get your drink. Come on. Get your drink. Water bowl's right there. I'm gonna grab a tea. Go drink something. I'll be back. I'll be right back, Bubba. Yeah, fly trap out here is working. Got too many of them roaming around. They're getting in the house. So we put up one outside, just traps them on the inside of it. And yeah, from there, they just kind of die out. Yeah, we can come down here for a quick recap. At the beautiful river. But yeah, if you guys are still watching this video this far, just want to let you know you guys have my thanks and appreciation. And the thing, as a big show of thanks, I'm going to give you the best shot of the video as the closer. And again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all next time.